I chose a bowl of soup. This is not the right thing to say. Hi everyone, welcome on WLA. I'm Will, and today I'm taking you to a new phonetic lesson, a new pronunciation lesson, because the ways you speak, even if you don't sound natural as native speakers, but you have to pronounce the words correctly as it is shown in a dictionary for you to be heard and understood. And today the diphthong we'll be looking at is this one, the O diphthong. It is a glide from the O sound to the U sound, so it becomes O, O. So this is the sound we'll be analyzing today. Now we are going to identify this sound. When it comes to the lips are very rounded like this one, and tense like O, O, rounded and tense. When it comes to the tongue, it moves from the mid to the I position. O, mid to the I position, the tongue in the mouth. So when uttering this sound, you have to pay attention to your articulators. Without further ado, we're gonna see the different common spelling pattern of this sound. So the first common spelling pattern structure is the O itself. Okay, O, and O is recognizable in these words. No, no. Okay, you don't say no, it is no. Don't, don't. Whom, whom. It is not it is whom. The second common spelling pattern is the combination of the O sound and the A sound, as in road, road, the road. Coat, coat. Boat, boat. The third one is this one, the O and the W, O and W, as in low, low, slow, slow, window, window. And the last common spelling pattern is the O-U-G-H, as in although, although, though. So remember, in the grammar lesson, we spoke about these words, although, though, and even though. We learned them on Tuesday. So here you've got all the common spelling patterns in which you can pronounce the O sound in English words. So when you'll be reading an English test, you have to pay attention to the words where you will find those common spelling patterns. Now we're gonna have some word pairs for practice. Phone home, phone home. Open road, open road. Golden pool, golden pool. And the last one will be slow motion, slow motion. Now I'm gonna give you a sentence for practice. Oh no, don't open the window, it's cold. Oh no, don't open the window, it's cold. Here we're gonna have a quick review contrasting the R sound that we learned in a previous lesson with Coach Archangel and the O sound I'm teaching you today. So the first one will be pot. Remember, make sure that the sound in the two forms are not pronounced the same. So the first one is pot with a R sound, while the second one is boat, boat with a O sound. Law, law, L-A-W, law, L-O-W, low, low. Now another sound that will be opposing the O sound is the A sound, as in gnat, gnat, and note, note. We have gat, gat, and goat, goat. And finally, none, none, and known, known. It is known as Jack. Today, I've been teaching you the different common spelling patterns of the O sound, and I've given you some words for practice. At home, don't forget to pay attention when you'll be reading a test, an English test, and you should pay attention to notice and figure out all those common spelling patterns and utter the sounds correctly. So if you've appreciated this lesson, if you've liked it, I would invite you to leave a blue thumb, to subscribe, and to share the video to your friends. Thanks, and catch up later.